Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having an Ford F-150, that generation here between year 2015, 16, 17. If you need to find the relay for the engine starter, stay with us, we'll explain which relay you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses relays from so you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. We're going to demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 where the engine starter relay is located, guys. So we're going to open, you actually have 2 fuse boxes, but we'll need just one of them that's located right under the hood on your Ford F-150. And if we zoom in a little bit, and if you guys pay attention, right behind the 12-volt battery, you have a fuse box here. You open that cover here of your fuse box, and you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one, that being the front of your F-150, guys, and this is towards the windshield side, guys. So let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, you can see here you have different relays, fuses, okay, that could be really hard to find, overpriced or really expensive. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spares from, that way you don't waste your money, guys. Right here in that relay panel right here, we need to find the relay for the engine starter. It's in that right row here, the one on the very bottom. That's the relay for the engine starter that you need to check specifically. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.